See how that timing is just way off. Yo, what is going on? This is That Guy Face with Face the Music Media. We are back again with another episode of How I Synth. In this video, we got TAL Tal-pha. Let's get into it.
Oh yeah. Oh mama. Oh yeah. Face the music.
So, Tal-pha is a VST synthesizer that emulates Roland's Alpha Juno 2. And so, you know, this plugin is from the 80s, and so it does have that classic sound. So I'm really excited about this one. But before we get into that, if you have not already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell for notifications so you can be notified every time we drop a new video, and hit the thumbs up button if you enjoy the content. Also, make sure you go to reelloops.com, that's REELLOOPS, and cop the Sweet Fusion preset pack. We got volume 1 and volume 2, dope presets handcrafted by me and the guys at reelloops.com, so you definitely want to check that out. But anyway, so I do have the demo version, and so we got that noise coming in periodically, so I'm gonna try to keep it out. But anyway, man, let's just jump right into it, man. So it's pretty straightforward. It looks just like a Juno synthesizer. You know, we got the red and blue. We had our oscillators here. Let's take a listen to the oscillators. So we only have the saw wave and the square wave, and then we can modulate each one here if we choose the one that has the dotted lines. And so let's take a listen to the saw first and see what that sounds like. Let's go to default. What we'll do is turn that volume down a little bit. Let's take a listen. Loving that. Let's take a listen to the square. Loving that. I got a chord progression I played in the background. Let's just take a listen to the chord progression and let's mess around with the different shapes here and see what we can get out of that. Beautiful. I love that. So let's sync this to the tempo. Now, I'm not even going to lie. I did notice, and maybe they'll update that later, but the sync with a lot of these different modulation sources is a little off. You'll set it to a certain time and it's just a little off. But anyway, let's take a listen to that. Beautiful. Let's go ahead and add the square wave in on that. See what that sounds like. I'm going to turn this down a little bit on both of these. Let's take a listen. Beautiful. Let's take a listen to the filter. Beautiful. I love that. That sounds real analogish, to be honest. Let's fool around with the envelope and see what that sounds like. So I'm going to go ahead and boost that here. And so let me do this. Let me bring the voices over to 12. Actually, let's do 8. Let's go ahead and take a listen to the envelope. Beautiful. I love that. Let's go ahead and add some effects here. Start with the reverb. Beautiful. I love that. Let's go ahead and add some delay. Beautiful. I love that. Now what I want to do is go ahead and add that good old classic chorus sound. So let's go ahead and do that. Beautiful. I love that. That sounds amazing. I think I want to try to add some unison here along with the chorus. Let's take a listen to that really quick. Beautiful. I love that. Anyway, man, that's the end of this video. You guys let me know what you think about Tal-pha down in the comments below. My thoughts, I love using this plugin. It's super fun. It's super easy to use, and it just sounds really good. It's got this buttery sound to it that I just really like a lot, man. And so, you know, I would definitely check it out. The only thing I think is the timing is off on some of the modes where you can sync up the time, like the LFO and the arpeggiator. So they need to go in there and adjust that. But other than that, man, it sounds fire. But anyway, man, this is that guy Face the Music Media. If you have not already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell for notifications so you can be notified every time we drop a new video. And go ahead and hit the thumbs up if you enjoy the content. Also, make sure you go to realloops.com. That's REELLOOPS and cop the Sweet Fusion preset pack. We got volume 1 and volume 2. Dope presets, handcrafted. You already know what it is. Me and the guys at realloops.com. We got volume 3 coming out too, so you want to stay tuned for that. But also make sure you go down in the description. Check out the Music by That Guy Face playlist. We got 3 singles so far. More singles coming, so you definitely want to check that out. But anyway, man, this is That Guy Face the Music Media. We out of here. See how that timing is just way off. Big